Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. For me, this is very incompetent. I know what is your doing, what is your ambition anyway. Last midnight, I talked with Tera Francisco in a Zoom meeting and we discussed about Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I said, when is the started his fight? That was last November and October. Last October and November 2023. Last year. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I'm just making my YouTube blog. You are very incompetent, just like Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu, he messed the Palestinians that there are no Hamas there in Gaza or even in Rafah border, even in Gaza, in Palestine or in Egypt. There is no Hamas in Gaza. If you check it around, there's no Hamas in Gaza. Benjamin Netanyahu, he picked a mess with the wrong civilian. Palestinians are civilians. They are people. For me, I'm saying to you, to all my arch enemies, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Benjamin Netanyahu, Asedio Jean, Lance Salvacion, Buddy Castro, May Tiburcio, and Teacher Evelyn Caja and Dina Guillermo. And including those pro-Zionists anyway. When are gonna all of you learn how to stop, huh? When? And you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Huh? You pick an ally with Asedio Jean and Lance Salvacion to mess Kuya Jojo Macalintal and Ninang Bebe in a group chat, in your stupid group chat, Best Pills. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, I'm not making any kind of nonsense what you're doing. I am telling ya, you have to stop what you're doing. Me, I never make any kind of group chats. I delete all the group chat what I created that. I deleted the group chat because that was the aftermath of that I curse Nanay Ningning in Instagram, even in Facebook, when I called it the word asshole words. That's really a bad word. For me, I have to stop making nonsense. I already stopped making group chats. I delete all the group chats in Facebook. All I have to do, I deleted the group chats, like I promised to Patrick Kison, I delete all the fake accounts that I made, even Gio Malana, Mang Rodelio Daguman, Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, even Sir Calvin Cuevas, even Luis Cabales, including Rafa Soco. I delete all the fake accounts. There's the only who's making a foolishness named Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Sorry, folks, I do not want to make a YouTube blog. Me, in my YouTube blog, I have to stop what you're doing. You have to stop. Beshi, Best Pills 2, I remember that in Facebook page. You have to stop what you're doing, Best Pills. You have to stop your messing around to other people. If you add Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos again, Best Pills. If you add Lorraine Shook in a group chat, I'm warning ya. Do not add them in group chat. Do not add my relatives in my group chat, including Kuya Jojo Macalintal and Ninang Bebe Solgabag. Do not add them in group chat. Even like I said to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, I'm warning you. Do not add Ate Hana, Kuya Mel. Do not add Ate Mirasol, Paulo Siaco. In your stupid group chat, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. And do not add my friends who were from Miss Earth 2022 candidates and Miss Earth 2023 candidates in your stupid group chat, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know Arnel Castillo, ha? I am very mad at you for what you have done. You add in a group chat, Batang Maynila Tolits. How dare you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You are worse than Harbatera. You are really worse than Asedio Jean, Lance Salvacion. And you are really worse than Benjamin Netanyahu. Don't you think, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? And you make a photo selfie with this pathetic Zionist, that Israeli pathetic ambassador here in the Philippines, Elon Plus. Fuck you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Sorry for my word, I do not want to say a bad word because it's rated SPG. I'm saying, you know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, one of my Palestinian friends in TikTok, one of my friends who were Palestinians, and my friends who were Russians, Iranians, Lebanese, and even Malaysians and Indonesians in a TikTok account, in my friends in TikTok. They are angry at you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. People are angry at you. Don't you think? Even you harass Shania Kayana, and you want to harass her, you don't know what is the harassment. There is Anti-Safe Space Act, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Like I say in Filipino, hindi ka nahihiya, Best Pills. Puro ka lang kabalastugan, that's why. You don't know what you're doing, what your true color was. For me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. If you want to watch Pulang Araw of Alden Richards, I respect your opinion. So please do not bash the TV show of Batang Quiapo. That was my favorite show. I watch Batang Quiapo every 8 p.m. Me and Tatay Arnold, we watch Batang Quiapo. Oh. Even Joyce Opecia. Oh. Even Jens Manaid, Patrick Quezon. Oh. Even that the grandson of the grandson, ko it apo ni Kagawa Gina, named Charles, the nephew of Ate Jenna, they watch Batang Quiapo. All of us, we watch Batang Quiapo. Among of us, we have our own opinion. For me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Asedio Jean, Lance Salvacion, Benjamin Netanyahu, Buddy Castro, Dina Guillermo, Evelyn Caca, and May Tiburcio, and even Dara May Tuason, and Ivy Montaleola, and Jeffrey Beltran. All of you should stop all of you're doing.